Good morning, children. Welcome to Agrakami Vidya Kendra online class. Children, open chapter 2, computer software. In the last class, what we learned? Yes, the computer system consists of three components: hardware, software, and leeware. What is hardware? Hardware are those parts of a computer that you can touch and see. All the input processing and output devices are called hardwares. Those parts we can touch and see, that is hardware. For example, monitor, we can touch the monitor, we can touch the mouse, yes, we can touch the keyboard. These are all the hardware. Okay, then next is software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer hardware how to perform a specific task. What is software? Is a set of instructions that tells the computer hardware how to perform a specific task. You can only see the software, but you cannot touch it. For example, MS Word. We can type, but we cannot touch the software. MS PowerPoint, MS Paint, that is a software. Leeware are the people who work on the computer. These three are the computer components. What are the computer system consists of three components, that is hardware. Hardware means we can touch and we can see. Software is a set of instructions, but we cannot touch, but we can able to see. Leeware are the people who work on the computer. Next is types of software. Software are mainly of two types. Two types of softwares are there: system software and application software. System software and application software. What are the two types of softwares? System software and application software. Then what is system software? System software controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. Software required to run the hardware parts of the computer and other application softwares also. It acts as interface between hardware and user application. User means like you and me. Then what is system software? System software controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. Yes, we speak in language called English, or could you speak other languages also? But the computer understands only one language, that is binary language, that is 0 to 9. Now I am speaking in English, the computer does not understand English. If I am speaking to computer, open MS Paint, open MS Word, computer can understand? No, computer does not understand English. Computer will understand the binary language also. Later we will learn. Then what is system software? It converts all the instructions are given to the computer in the understanding forms. The system software will convert the instructions into a computer and the understanding forms. That is system software. System software controls and manages overall activities of a computer. The system software prepares the computer for you to work and run application software, that is operating system. That is operating system. What is operating system? Operating system is, it prepares the computer for you to work and run application software. This is called the operating system. Operating system is always the first software that is loaded into the computer. When we switch on the computer, that Windows 7 or Windows 10, like that the Windows will come. So operating system always very important. If your system does not have any operating system, it will not work, because operating system manages all the work and run application softwares. Then examples of operating system. Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is an example of an operating system. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system available. It has different versions like Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. Windows 10 is latest version. Which is the latest version? Windows 10. So, system software is a very important part of a computer system. The system software controls the working of the computer and makes the computer hardware understand the instructions given by the user through the application software. The system software acts as a bridge between the user and the computer, making it understand the instructions given by the user through an application software. Next is application software. What is application software? Application software are designed to perform one or more specific type of jobs on a computer. That means application, for example, you have to draw one picture. How to draw some pictures. Okay. Which application software will you open? You can open MS Paint software. Okay. You can open MS Paint software. In that you can draw and color pictures. But you cannot play a movie or song in it. That time which software we will open? Yes, for this you need to, if you have to type your letters, or if you have to type your notes, which application software you will open? Yes, MS Word. For this you need to open MS Word application software. MS Word is used for typing, editing and formatting documents such as letters, applications, articles and essays. This software we will open. There are different types of application softwares are there. Windows Media Player, Corel Draw, MS PowerPoint, Adobe Photoshop. If you want to play your music, play your sound, we have to open another software specially designed to play movies and songs. Hence, MS Paint and Windows Media Player are example of application software. If you can creating and editing beautiful pattern, designs and graphics, that time you can open another application software, Corel Draw. You can create some presentations which are shown on a screen using a projector, that time which application software we will use? MS PowerPoint. Then you can editing beautiful pictures and photos and designs, Adobe Photoshop we will open. These are the application software. Then what is application software? Application softwares are designed to perform one or more specific type of jobs. We can do our work. That is application software. Operating system means it's already installed, already loaded into the system. In that we are installing the application software, that is MS Paint, MS Word, like that all softwares we will install it. Okay children, open page number, today I am giving one homework for you. Open page number 27. Circle the odd one out and write the input, processing and output for the following machines using the hints given below. one column machines are there, then input, what input we are giving to them, then processing, what processing is going there, then what output we will get it. Okay, everything you have to write. Thank you.